Hi again, fourth graders. I loved hearing all of your ideas on whether the distracted walking bill should be passed to the Senate. I also have found a bill that I thought was very important. The bill is a part of the No Students Go Hungry program, and it was created by Governor Andrew Cuomo, who you were introduced to in Ms. Schmidlin's lesson. This bill was made to end food shaming in all schools. Sometimes students don't have enough money to buy breakfast and lunch every day. With this bill, Governor Cuomo wants all New York State schools to provide access to free breakfast and farm fresh foods, as well as ensuring all students have access to school meals without fear of shame. I have provided a link to the bill itself where it is discussed in more detail. I will provide the link in the Google Classroom folder. I want you to take a look at the article and read a little bit about what it includes. I know it's lengthy, so read what you can. For this activity, I have chosen 3 bill petitions because people hear about it every day and they are very important ideas. The first is a ban on smoking. The second is an increase in nurses' pay and punishment for animal cruelty. For this activity, I have created a Google form that includes these 3 bill petitions. In the first part, I asked what your opinion was on the bill. I want you to write a short response explaining your reasoning. For the next question, I asked if you would pass it to the Senate. The Google form will be in the Google Classroom folder, and you can fill it out after this presentation. I hope you all have enjoyed this lesson. Have a happy Easter and break.